Hi, we're going to be going over assignment number 2, types of cost. I already have the assignment printed out in front of me, and I've changed all the numbers, so everything else will be the same, except the calculations. As you can see, I've already started the table. That is going to be the income statement. It is just part of the prime cost statement, or sorry, the prime cost portion of the statement. It's also found on page 9. You can see where I copied that from. So I'm just going to read over and plug in the numbers and give you guys an idea to make sure we're all on the same page with getting formulas in here to make sure it does the work for you. So A, in July of this year, the restaurant took in $73,941 from food sales. I'm going to stop right there and go ahead and put it in. Actually, since we know all these are going to be numbers, we can format the cells to put in the dollar sign and to give us decimal points in it. So either you can right click, you can go to format cells, actually accounting, excuse me, accounting would be good. You can go right here to the number sign, and I'll format it, or you could have just gone up here and clicked on it that way. So $73,941. Right. And then $19,016 from beverage sales. The beverage sales were 60% wine and liquor and 40% beer. So we got to do a little math before we can get the numbers in there. So we know beer is 40%. So we'll just enter the equation right in here. Equals 40% times the 1916. And hit enter, and it does all the work for you. Do the same thing down here. Did I do that right? Oh, hold on. Okay, I did do 4. All right, sorry. And then 60% equals first. 6% times the 1916. And that split the cost for us. And now we just auto sum. Make sure it's the right range and enter. All right, we'll go down to B. The restaurant spent $1,230 on beer and $4,008 on wine and liquor. And then $19,829 in food. No extra math needed in this one. Go down to the total. Auto sum. Yep. Now down to labor costs. C. The responsibility of a general management is split between 2 people, both who are making a salary of $11.33 a month. All right, equals 2 people at $33.11. Enter. There we go. Hourly employees took home a total of $17,874. Payroll tax for the restaurant is 10% of the total amount of the restaurant pays its employees, not including benefits. Benefits for the month, by the way, have the cost of $17.99. All right, well, let's go ahead and do that. $17.99. And then taxes were 10%. So 10% is pretty easy. Just knock off one of the zeros, move the decimal. But let's go ahead and put it in. 10%. And we can even click up here and hit enter. There we are. And then auto sum. Correct range. All right. Now we got prime cost. So now we just want to add up the two cost of goods and labor cost. So we can do equals, take that one, plus, oop, wrong button, shift, there we go, and here, enter. There we are, and there's our total prime cost. Oop. Now over in this section was for percentages. So let's go ahead and just go over to format and percent. And we'll start with the prime cost percentage. So go ahead and equals, and we can click on the prime cost. and then divided by the total sales. Enter. So that gives us 57%. We did really good. Then we can go ahead and give the percentages of the rest. Everything's off sales, so we know this is 100%. Equals enter. Equals labor costs divided by total sales. Enter. So then we can see exactly how all the percentages are broken up. That's it. It's a pretty easy assignment. I wish you guys luck.